Guys, so I don't usually do voiceovers for these mini tutorial videos, but I thought I would change it up and do a voiceover for this one. Sometimes I find videos more interesting if the person's talking, but let me know what you guys like, if you just prefer music or me talking. But for this video, I wanted to show you a really quick tutorial for how I did this spread in my bullet journal. You guys might have seen me post photos on Instagram or my shop website. But basically, I just did a quick spread to showcase my stickers and also make a to-do list for my bullet journal for the week. So to do this, all I did was cut out a piece of notebook paper for the to-do list, and I added one of my label stickers to the top. And then I decorated it with this photo that I printed. I think I found it on Tumblr. And then I decorated the rest of the spread with some more of my new stickers. And I also added a little quote to the bottom of this page. You guys will see that at the end of this video. My camera battery actually died while I was filming and I didn't realize it until afterwards, so I didn't get that footage, unfortunately. But this is the final spread, and of course you can make it a little bit more elaborate if you want to turn this into a full weekly spread and add a box for each day of the week or add a calendar, really whatever you want to do. I just wanted to show you really quickly what I did to take photos of and to make my to-do list for the week. Let me know if you guys like this bullet journal video and if you want me to do more little bullet journal tutorials, and I will see you again really soon. Thank you guys so much.